Okay, everyone. So let's do some quick back testing with the question answer. Okay. In this webinar, or we are going to do some quick back testing, and I will also ask some quick question answer with you. Okay, which will be more helpful to you, and you can annotate. Okay. So first of all, tell me which pair we should quick back testing. EU, okay, EU gold, Euro USD, BTC, gold, EU, gold. Okay, GBP, USD, Euro, gold, Aussie USD, Aus 30. Last time, I think we have done in a Euro USD, right? Euro USD, Bitcoin is almost done in a previous GU, AU. There are so many different requested by you. Gold. Okay. Ethereum, Bank Nifty, gold. Okay, so there are different requests by you. So let's pick any one. EU today, gold, Euro USD, Euro Aussie, gold and GU. Okay, so in this webinar, we are going to do some gold back testing, because gold are very like important and also very popular, and forex and index both are a combination in a gold. That's why we can do in a gold. And next back testing session will be on Bank Nifty, and after that I will do crypto, and after that is again a forex pair, right? So let's see, start from gold. All right, everyone. So first of all, you can any part. Do you want to trade this internal range here? If yes, okay. External, internal, both scenario will be same, right? Yes, internal structure would be nice. Yes, sir. You can trade any like anyone. Which part? Like here. Any pair actually you can. Let's cut here. All right. So first of all, you have to mark here the structure, external structure first, and then you will understand internal structure also, right? You can cut anywhere as you wish, right? So before marking this structure, that what going on here, you have to mark your external structure. What is your current external structure is here? as per this one, this one is our higher high. First of all, you have to mark your higher high. I'm talking about this structure. I'm talking about based on this structure is here. So as per this structure, where is our higher high in this case? Look at this one in a left side, there is no inducement taken out, right? So finally market create higher high at this point. This one is an equal high. So let me check first. This become our higher high, higher low, and this is our again higher high, and this will become our break of structure. And after break of structure, in a first attempt, just sweep the liquidity. You can trade here based on liquidity sweep. Again, continue going higher high, create here higher high, higher low, break the structure is here. Again, push upside and create new higher high is here. But in this case, there is no inducement. So this structure will be transferred here and this low become our inducement at this point. And this low become our chalk. And after chalk, what happened here? You have to wait for to taken out the inducement before sell. So let me annotate, and I will annotate section. So you can mark here. And now find here where is our external inducement. I'm talking about external structure, everyone. Okay. Perfect. Yes. After break of structure, after change of factor, first pullback is called our inducement. Correct. So this is our inducement, and definitely we can enter here after taking out this one. So where is our first pullback? This one. Exactly, because this is our first pullback here. Right. And this is a single line move here. So if inducement is very far away, then you can take entry based on internal structure. Why? Because this is our internal structure. As you know, if market looking for this sell, then the market must be taken out this inducement. So market trying to go higher to taken out this inducement, and this is our internal structure. So internal structure, how you can trade, this is important for you. If internal structure create structure something like this, taken out the inducement, mitigate your like decisional PY or extreme, and then continue going higher high, again break the structure, and similar rule applicable here in a inducement also. Taken out decisional PY or maybe on your extreme, and then continue going higher high like this. Correct. So this process will be similar till this inducement taken out. Right. If market taken out the inducement, then you don't need to buy, right? Because market taken out the inducement, then your perspective will be changed. If market create chalk, okay, and taken out the inducement, or maybe like mitigate something, any POI, right? Then you can think here for the sell. But if your decisional POI failed, then you have to take again buy till extreme POI if there is available, right? As per the trading plan. Okay. So in this case, everyone mark internal structure higher high and higher low. Then we can simply identify where is our next POI and when we can take entry. This is important for everyone. Now, in this session, you can understand very easily and clearly that how external and internal structure work. Okay. So mark only higher high and higher low in terms of the internal structure. To marking any higher high, higher low in an internal and external rule will be similar, right? Need inducement before continuing to higher high and lower low, right? Okay, perfect. Yes, sir. This one looks very valid and exactly perfect. This is to confirm any higher high market must be taken out the inducement. So where is our inducement? Look at this one. First of all, start from bottom of the structure to marking any structure higher high, higher low. You have to start from bottom of the structure or top of the structure. If market is a bullish, then you have to start from bottom of the structure. In this case, you can see if there is any order block, sorry, valid pullback. So this is not, I think, let me check this one candlestick high or low first of all. This candle low broken and go higher. But sir, it's depend on structure. Yes, sir, I can see. But it's depend if market first go higher and then push downside. So this is not a valid pullback. But if market broken this low and taken out this one and then create new higher high, so this can be a inducement, right? So it's depend. But if you mark, let's assume this one, this is a our inducement, for example. In that case, this can be your inducement and this can be your this is null py, right? And you can buy here. Exactly correct. As per this one, this is also correct. But you have to check here. Okay. So this one is our higher high. I'm marking this as an inducement and this is a higher low. Again, where is our high? At this point. This one, sorry, exactly. And this one is our break of structure. And after break of structure, what you should hit? In this case, you have to wait for taking out the inducement and then buy. Simply look at this one. This is an inducement, but market not taken out. Then again create new higher high. So finally, what happened here? Market taken out this inducement, mitigate here something and go higher. But in this case, is not create here. Let me check this one. Sorry. This high, sweep here. And again sweep here. Taken out this inducement. Exactly, sir. And this one is order block mitigation here and continue. You can buy here. Again, what happened here? Market create new break of structure. And after break of structure, what happened here? Taken out the inducement. Yes, sir. I mentioned here, this is our inducement here, right? Taken out the inducement, mitigate this order block. And now at this point, how you have to how you can deal in this case, everyone? Please text in a chat section. Okay, refine. Okay, Abu effects. Refinement. Perfect. Okay, so this is our entire zone. And this is only PY because after taking out the inducement, we have only one PY and this is a decisional and extreme, only one PY. So if PY is a very larger range, then you have to refine into lower time frame to check where is our lower time frame order block and then wait for to mitigate them and then chalk flip and again buy sell entry, right? And once market mitigate your refine order block and then you can also applicable single candle order block mitigation entry also, right? At this point, if you can see, if there is any single candle order block right now, there is no single candle order block entry here, right? Okay, so first of all, you have to switch here in a 1 minute time frame. Let's see. So where is our refinement order block here, everyone? Okay. Okay, okay. Look at this one. First of all, to marking any order block price must be create a valid pullback, right? Okay. So right now you can see in this case, where is our actual candle which taken out the liquidity, taken out the previous candle high or low. This is our, I'm sorry. This is our entire candle here, right? But what happened here? This candle high is broken by this next black candle, but not close of it. So you can use this as a refinement purpose, but actual order block, this one. Okay. If not drawing from members will be better, I can. Why not using the shadow of it? Not. So we can use this shadow also, but this is a very small compared to the body. Okay, if body shape and size is smaller compared to the shadow big, then we should use a shadow, right? If shadow is a larger compared to the body, then we should use. But there is no FVG. Sir, there is a proper FVG. This candle high and low. This is a proper imbalance. Okay. So first of all, again, delete this one. Okay. So price integrity or refinement order block is here. And in this case, you have to wait for two possible scenario. First one is a chalk clip anti-module. You can buy or sell. Okay. So first of all, you have to mark your first pullback. Okay. So this is our pullback like this. Market must be break this one. No, sir, this is not, because this one is our pullback like this. Right. So this is our first pullback. Market must be broken this one high. Then you can take entry here. Right. And if you are, if you are not sure here that how you can deal, you are not confident because this is a very larger range here, you can see, right? In this case, what happened, market again push downside, and to mitigate this, like here 50% of this move, sometime market came back on your extreme. So it's all about probability. Okay. But when market gives any indication here for the reversal, then definitely you can take entry here for the buy. First high is a broken, it means chalk, and then you have to wait for it taken out the inducement. So right now there is no inducement created here, so you have to wait for it. Yes, sir. If sweep this low and go higher, and then you can buy here, right? And next possible scenario is here. Now pullback is a create here, came back downside and go higher, right? And when market taken out the inducement, then definitely you can take entry based on single candle order block. No, sir, those are already mitigated by the next candle shadow. So this is not a much valid. You have to buy here based on single candle order block after taking out the lower time frame inducement, right? So you have to mark where is our proper chalk and inducement in this current case, everyone. Okay, perfect. Correct, correct. Exactly. This is our chalk, right? And after chalk, what you should do in this case, market must be taken out this inducement. If there is any order block or anything, then you have to bid for it to mitigate this one. If sweep the inducement and create any single candle order block, then you can buy here. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. Okay, so those are already mitigate here. What happened here? Inducement taken out. Okay, so if inducement taken out, now what you should do in this case? Why need inducement? Sir, we need inducement because there is a no proper order block is here. There is no proper order block. That's why we need. Yes, sir. I agree. This is a sweep. Correct. But there is a no proper order block or any unmitigated shadow. That's why if you are buying willing to based on sweep here, right? Like sweep here, then how you can like buy? There is a no setup, right? You have to wait for it to take out the inducement or either market push downside to create new structure and then create a structure and then buy. Simple, right? Okay. Perfect. Market taking out the inducement, you have to buy here based on single candle order block is here. Like previous close sweep here and next candle came back and then you can buy. This is the first entry is here. Perfect. And where is your stop loss? Okay. Perfect. Here you can set two types of stop loss. First one is here and second one in the bottom. This is a risky stop loss and this is a safer stop loss because this is a structure based and this is a just order block or candlestick based structure stop loss, right? So if you are willing to buy here, then you have to put the stop loss just below it to safer side for people stop loss. And where is your target? This is a break even point or partial you can take here, which is almost I think 4 hour, which is not bad. And the major target M15 high, I'm talking about internal structure, this one. Perfect. This is our main high and this is our internal mean short term target and this is a main target, right? And if you willing to buy here directly, then also you can buy here directly on the next candle open, because this candle grab the liquidity, and third candle, sorry, second candle open here, you can buy here also on the next candle open, right? Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, sir. This candle like grab the liquidity and continue go higher high to mitigate your unmitigated shadow here. Where is next possible entry here right now? Okay, perfect. Okay, yes, sir. Here two possible scenario, right? Let me clear this one. First one is here. If market push downside, why using single candle above OB for big not body? Why you using single order block? Sir, if you are using body entire, you can use this candle must be close overweight and third candle mitigate. That's why we can. If you are using this shadow, because this shadow is a taken out the liquidity, that's why this is a clear. Okay. And right now you can see this candle like grab the liquidity, and you can take entry here. Okay. And you can enter here. Let me show you through. Based on single candle order block here, this one, because this move taken out the liquidity, that's why if price came back here, you can buy here. Just below it, there is no unmitigated anything. If anything unmitigated here, then you have to wait for it, create inducement, came back and go higher like this. Okay, so let's see. Most of the time order not filled, then how can I go around that? Yes, sir. If not go price around this one sometime, then you can uh, move 1-2 pips maximum, 1 pips below or above your POI. Okay. Why do you need inducement? Because inducement already sweep here, and just below it there is no unmitigated anything. That's why. If induce, if sweep the structure, right? This is a just structure. This one. This one is also sweep, but here there is a no unmitigated order block, unmitigated shadow. That's why we need inducement. If a proper order block or anything, then you can buy here. That's why. Okay. Yes, sir. This is a liquidity sweep. Tap here and continue going higher high, and we can enter here. First POI is here, and where is target, and where is stop loss? Just below it. Right. Let's see what happened next here. Okay, mitigate. Okay. All right. Okay, perfect. This one is a liquidity sweep here. Yes, sir. This is a liquidity sweep, but there is a no like here single candle order block. Here you can buy at this point. Right, but we are already in a trade, so we can't add another position is here, because too many risky. I mean, 3 trades in a row risk is a not good. But if you miss the second trade and first trade, and you are looking here for entry and gives like this setup, then definitely you can go for it. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right. Oh, I'm sorry. First of all, you have to mark again the structure higher high, higher low, and again where is higher high at this point. And here another entry after taking out the inducement, where is unmitigated order block. This one, I think mitigate here. Okay, this one is a mitigate. So there's a not clear here. This one. In a live market, we should have to mark every single order block, every mitigation. Please confirm for same. This one here. And you have to buy here. Okay. And put the stop loss this below it. Okay. If market close overweight, this is another break of the structure. And then let's see. There's no inducement here. Okay. Market reach your first first high is here. Okay. And actual high is here. Because market drop at this point, not this one. This is a part of this leg. Right. So this is your target point is here. And this one is another target point is here. Right. So everything is clear to you, everyone. If anything is missing, then you can ask in a chat section also. Where our break even. So at this point, because this is a 1 minute time structure, if you switch here in a 15-minute time frame, then you will see a big difference here. Look at this one. 15-minute high is here. This is our first break even point. Or you can take a small parcel also here. What do you consider as a failed order block, wick or candle break? In a both are valid. Like if uh, by candle, by body failed, then we can mark as a failed. If this is an order block break with big, this is still valid. Sir, it's depend on a situation like failed by big and market create similar continuation uh, indication as you plan, then this is a valid. If gives any reversal indication, then you have to change your perspective. Sir, which one is a valid? Which is one is a better single counter or chalk? Sir, both are better, but it's depend on different situation. Chalk will gives you based on structure confirmation, and SCOV we use additional confirmation in a lower time frame, in a higher time frame also. Okay. Can you show me session liquidity? Sir, session liquidity example I already mentioned in a videos. So where I explain so many example. Yes, sir. Can you please backtest in a bank? Yes, sir. I will do backtesting in a next weekend entire session, at least 1 hour. How much you parcel? On a first break even point, you can take like 30%, almost you can take partial, which will cover your losses, like how much you take a risk, like 1%, like $100, $200, $1,000. It's depend on your capital. So at least free some amount on a partial point. So this one is a cover here in a starting also. This part. At this point, this is a candle low is a broken here. First broken this low and go higher like this and go higher and push downside. That's why this become our inducement and mark this is a higher high. Yes, sir. This can be also valid. If this candle to first broken and go higher, so this can be also valid, right? But here and here, I mentioned in the starting, if this scenario happen here, then this valid. First go higher and then push downside, broke this low, so this is not valid in that case. And same is here. You have to check here when market is open, and you have to wait for to candle closer, which side first broken the high or low. You have to check, right? सिंगल कैंडल और सर सिंगल कैंडल और ब्लॉक्स के एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं जब से single candle order block applicable when price tap on PUI, extreme PUI, then single candle order block what? Here also you can see liquidity graph, price tap on extreme. This is our last candle which taken out the liquidity. Candle, this candle closed the previous candle high, and third candle came back and mitigated this one. So this is a single candle order block entry here for the buy. Confusion with internal structure. Sir, internal structure and external structure both are similar. Sir, you have to follow same rule, same principle. Look at this one. Taken out the inducement, tap here and continue going higher high. Again, break the high. You have to wait for taken out the inducement and again go higher high like this. This is our first inducement here. Push downside, mitigate this order block, and then you can again go higher high. This is our inducement and this is our final target. Right. Taken out the inducement, mitigate this order block and continue going higher high. This will be applicable everywhere in a major structure and minor structure also. And this is a higher high and higher low. And this is a higher high. Again, taken out the inducement is here. You have to wait for it to mitigate this order block and continue higher. If inducement first broken this one, and then you don't need to buy here. You have to stay alert here. So if market is a continue, we use 15 minutes SCOB or 1 minute structure. So 15 minute backtest this part. Okay, sir. First of all, you have to mark here where is our 1 minute refinement order block in this case. Look at this one. This is our PY when we can trade here for the buy, right? So you have to switch here in a 1 minute time frame first of all. So mark here everyone, where is our refinement order block? Okay. Okay, correct. So these two possible like zone here. First one is here, and the next one here. You can also use entire zone, right? And next thing is here. This is our 15-minute PY is here. This one. If price tap here and gives any indication here like chalk, flip, and then wait for inducement. And here also you need a 1 minute single candle order block, and then you can buy here. If there is no single candle order block confirmation here, then you have to wait for it to mitigate this PY here and this PY here, and then buy, right? If price tap here and keep a 15-minute SUB can be entered here on higher time frame single call. Exactly, you can trade, sir, because this is a higher time frame BY. You have to wait for 15-minute SUB also before the buy here, right? Not 1 minute time frame. Okay, let's see. Okay, extreme, the first order block mitigate here, right? First order block mitigate here. You have to wait for it to first high broken chalk. So where is our chalk in this case? You can see everyone. Price type on a first PY. Where is the chalk? Chalk is a very, if price type on the refined zone, we can play on single candle order block. Yes, sir, you can, right? But condition is here. If you are buying here, then you have to put the stop loss the below it. Two possible scenario. Price type here, keep create any single candle order block. You can buy here. Definitely you can buy here, but you have to put the stop loss just below it, not here, because in the next time market can be hit your extreme and then continue go higher. But when you put the stop loss just below it, your stop loss will be hit and then continue go higher. So safer side, you have to put the stop loss just below it and then you can play. And next one is a possible scenario is here. Tap here market, and what happen here? Sorry, if there is only one or PY is here, only one PY, for example, this one or this one, anyone, then you have to buy here based on directly or based on single candle order block here directly, because this is your extreme point. That's why. Okay, let's see. So first of all, delete this one. Okay, all right. So if there is any single candle order block entry is here, where is our single candle order block? Everyone. Okay. Okay. Look at this one. Understand this part. This is important for you. Look at this one. This is a previous candle high, sorry, low and high, right? And broken by this one. And then what happened here? Next candle high or low is here. But you have to always wait for next second candle closer. So you can see every time just broken the high, not close of it. If close of it, then you can buy here. But market not close of it. So this high transfer here to here, but this candle low broken by this one. So where is our high low? This one. And this candle is here. And this candle broken this one and close of it. So when we can buy here in this case, so we can buy here directly. This one, right? And where is stop loss? This one? No. The safer side stop loss is here, right? But if you willing to refine your zone, like refine for refinement purpose, then you can and put the stop loss on a break even point here after broken the first high. And this is a measure final target here on this inducement point. Look at this one again. Because this is a single leg movie here. Okay. So let's see. Any possible entry is here. This is a internal within internal, and this is a micro structure is here. But I'm not interested here for buy and sell anything. You have to switch here in a 15-minute time frame because the lower time frame refine like chalk is a very away. That's why. So here you can see this is a single candle order block because tap on extreme PY and single. Yes, sir, definitely. Perfect. Mitigate this one. Let me find this one. This one is our single candle order block. And here you can buy here at this point. If you switch here in a lower time frame, then you can also buy here. If you wish to buy directly, right, then we can. We need IDM. Sir, here you can see price tap on your PY, right? When price tap on your PY zone, then we need inducement. Okay. When you are looking for the buy based on SCOB only, then you don't need inducement. Simply. And here, both scenario applicable like SCOB and PY mitigation, both are. So in this case, you have to take a decision, additional confirmation for inducement. And you can switch here in a 1 minute time frame. Here, you can see there is a no like inducement taken out, simply continue going higher high. So you have to wait for it. Like inducement taken out, mitigate your extreme. like taken out the inducement. So where is inducement in this case? First of all, okay, the first pullback is our inducement. Where is our next POI when you are looking for the buy? Okay, perfect. After taking out this inducement, you have to mark your unmitigated order block. So everything is mitigated here. Only one unmitigated order block is here. So if price step here and you are not sure here, you should buy or not, you have to wait for it to single candle order block here, and then you can buy here. If market not create any single candle order block, then don't try to buy here. You can again go for it to extreme because you have a multiple PUI, correct? Yes, sir. Right? Because you have a multiple PY. Tap here and go for it. Also choke happen here, right? So let's see. Okay, everyone, what happening here? First of all, mark this zone here. Not tap here still. You have to wait for it. Okay. So finally, market mitigate here, right? So what criteria you should follow here before the buy here? You have to buy here. How many members are agree here to buy? Okay. Right now, or you should wait here. You should wait. SUV 1 minute SUV decision lobby. Okay. SUV wait. Okay, perfect. Because you are trading on decisional point. If you are trading decisional on extreme, then always I will prefer to you that trade only based on SCOB additional confirmation. Right. Even you are trading on extreme point, even extreme point you can directly, but SCOB will gives you additional confirmation before the buy and sell. Right. So right now there is no SCOB create here. So you have to wait for it. Both low are similar here. So there is a SCOB develop here or not? No, because this law is not broken. Exactly. Okay. Now, oh, wow. Perfect. So this is our SUV. Grab the liquidity. And this is a perfect order block, single candle order block. This order block covered by the next candle, and this is a valid order block. And you can exactly you can buy here. Put the stop loss just below it. Why not this one? Sir, because there is a not close the next candle above it. If candle close of it, then we can use this one. Okay. And also you can entry. Chalk no need. Sir, chalk only need when price step on PY here directly. And this is a candlestick PY. This is a not structure 15-minute structure PY. That's why this is a happening based on 15-minute SCOB. Okay, you are already in a 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame PY. This is here. That's why we don't need here chalk or anything. Okay, you can directly buy here also like this. but we are waiting here for the buy SCOB. And the first high and the final, this one. If second candle wick and third candle close, this is a valid. The third candle must be closed the previous second candle, the above, like second candle which you mark as a wick. Only chalk for higher time frame PI. Yes, sir. Higher time frame PI and higher time frame inducement taken out. Mitigate here. Okay. This is a single candle mitigation. If there is any possible entry here, anyone based on SCUB? Sometime you miss a first trade. Okay. Then what happened? You have to wait for it to next BOI. So where is our next SCOB? Here. Correct. Because this is a valid pullback and next candles close above it and next mitigation and continue going higher high. Simple. You can also buy here. Put the stop loss just below it. Target similar. Okay. Mitigation. And remember one more thing. These happening here based on decisional PY, right? Because extreme just below it. This one, right? And we are playing on decisional, right? Okay. Stop loss hit. And this is our like valid loss here. What when we stop buying the single candle order block stopping when the previous structure high or low, recent structure high or low is broken, then you should stop the single candle buying and selling. I explained so many times. Okay, so let's see, and finally market goes up. Switch here in a 15-minute time frame again. Okay, so again, what happened here? The previous structure sweep here, close below it, this candle, and here you can play based on single candle order block, sell here till this one, because the inducement taken out, tap here and possibly go higher, and next one is the extreme and go higher, right? So this move happened here based on SCOB and chalk and flip, everything. Now let's read some quick question answer. Why one by one? USD. So no more analysis or anything. You can just generally you can ask, you can text your question. I will respond to you. This is a chalk, right? But when inducement taken out, so this become our chalk, not this one. Yes, sir. This is a sweep, chalk, sweep, and sell. Perfect. Okay, everyone. So if no engineering liquidity does not extreme, if no engineering liquidity does extreme PY matter, not understand. Please don't copy paste question answer so many times. Otherwise, you will be spam and remove automatically by default. So your short long tools color. Your USD daily candle sweep, but it did not keep entry on 50 minutes. Sorry, every time you can't get entry in any time frame. If you get entry, then you have to play, right? You can see here what happened here. You get entry here, you can play. And next time you can get also entry, but failed, but trade going well as you plan. Main thing, you have to follow your plan, trading plan. So please ask in a like chat section also, because so many drawings here. Support market is a in a print sweep inducement and break confirm high. Okay, which means it's a valid a break of structure. Okay, but in neo leg there is no inducement, means IDM and higher low are same. Exactly. So would consider a valid pause, or that will be a higher high transfer valid. So in that case, I already mentioned in a diagram section, if there is no inducement create that time, like market is a bullish, taken out the inducement, confirm higher high, again push upside. This one is a break of structure valid here, right? But this high is a not confirmed here until taken out the inducement. In the next time, what happened here? This higher low is a broken, just sweep here and continue higher. So this high transfer here to here, and this is become our higher high, inducement taken out, and this become our higher low and break of structure. So generally, this is our leg like this. What about if price did not came to our refined 1 minute zone, but tap on higher time frame zone? So in that case, you can simply play based on chalk and flip. Simply because price already mitigate your higher time frame PY. It doesn't mean that every time price can be tap your 1 minute refinement zone, because sometime you will see very larger PY. Okay. So if price tap on PY, then you have to switch in a 1 minute chalk and flip. For valid SCOB, always sweep previous candle also in a lower time frame. Yes, sir. In a lower time frame, in a higher time frame, in a both. Sweep the previous candle high, low. The order block created by news move, it's valid or not? Sir, I don't trade on news and fundamental, so I have no idea actually. I trade based on SMC only. In a market structure, the rules are clear regarding inducement, but personally, I have a problem to identifying engineering liquidity and how we can differentiate in a decisional PY. And for example, if there are three pullback, first pullback is the inducement and last extreme OB is a middle pullback. It is a engineering liquidity or decisional OB. Do you give me tips and example how to sir, you have to focus on decisional and extreme PY, right? For example, you have a first one is a decisional, and this one is another order block is here, and third one here. So you have to play on a first one and third one, this one, and middle of the move is a SMT. Do you count inducement whenever high low is a broken or can be swept as a value? When broken and close of it, then I count inducement. Otherwise, I don't count there's as an inducement, because just high low sweep, the first high low I set target if I'm shorting or buying for the contract trend. Thank you. Question with your early answer. Okay, thank you. This is a valid. Yes, sir, this is a valid here also. Because price tap on PY, that's why this become our valid. If price not tap like this one, if you need another one also here, the next candle close here, just sweep this liquidity and continue going higher high, and next candle mitigation you can buy here simply. Yes, sir, valid. Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful webinar. If you late to join this webinar, you can watch again. I will upload on Discord as soon as possible. And thank you so much, everyone. Bank Nifty, sir, on next weekend. Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.